Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is brief introduction of business communication. No one can deny the importance of English language, which we are learning from English language courses and studied several books in different stages. Whereas several students have complete syllabus in English and learning from beginning till higher education. Mostly students think that they are good in English and have a strong vocabulary and full command of verbal communication, and they will adjust easily in any organization based on his qualification and position. After completion of a study, some students are starting their own business or joining family business, whereas maximum are finding the suitable jobs, and after joining the company or organization they are facing difficulty when they are communicating inside the organization or outside with any supplier or service providers, and sending long emails and letters explaining the matters or their requirements. Business communication is little bit different than verbal communication. For example, if your manager or director will ask you to send a report or explanation on any specific matter, and your response consisting of 30 to 40 lines, then your report or explanation will not take into consideration, because no one will read such a long letter or email. Professional business communication should be brief, with limited sentences and covering all areas to avoid any back and forth communication. Several times, newly hired people will take the time to learn about procedures and process of organization, also getting the warning letter just after 2 to 4 months. Whereas these newly hired people are fresh and very energetic to do something special and prove their ability within short period of time, but unfortunately they are disappointing after getting the warning or explanation from management. Reason: they are very excited and forgetting about their assigned jobs, responsibilities and function. To understand easily, I am creating a scenario and assume that you got degree MBA finance and you are appointed as an assistant finance manager. You have also computer knowledge. One day, inventory controller was facing problem and informed you that while issuing the delivery order and invoices, he is facing the problem and requested to check his system and resolve the issue. Because today IT manager is sick and did not come, you supported him and went to his office to check his system. Instead of fixing the problem, you damaged the data of inventory, which can't be recovered, and it became a serious issue. Inventory controller reported to his manager on lost data, and you got warning letter from your manager, whereas higher management asked you justification and explanation for interfering in another area, whereas you tried to give extra service to another department and attended request of inventory controller as a cooperation, and now become a big issue. So, any kind of justification or explanation from your side will not accept it, because you are not familiar about the techniques of communication. If you would know the techniques, then your response should be that I am working under finance department and not having enough knowledge to fix your problem. You coordinate with your manager or my manager to fix this problem. These techniques will be learned from business process and departmental functions. These are linked with each other, and to make the effective business communication, it is very necessary to learn and join our course. Our aim is not generating the money, but want to produce the professionals. We are ready to give the training to individuals and companies' staff for better performance and deliver the assigned task in timely manner and professionally. Please send your queries at biztalk2022@gmail.com to get more details of our course and cost. Thank you.